Welcome to BT Alarms. Today what I'm going to do is show you how to program an Enforcer key fob onto the Enforcer Alarm Control Panel. So to start the process off, we need to get into the programming. To get into the programming, you need to press the D button. You then enter your 4-digit code. So my code is 2222. Comes up as set time and date. We don't want to do that. What we want to do is get into, keep pressing no until you get to edit users. Once you're on edit users, you press yes. And it now says add a new user. This is what we need to do. Add a new user, press yes. Okay, we need to find an empty user. So we're obviously using user number 1. This has gone on to user number 2. Press yes. So we don't need to enter a code here. What we need to do is take the remote control and press the first 2 keys. So that's the lock and the unlock button, as so. Now the light goes green, then the light goes red, and give it a few seconds. And what should happen here is the keypad will come up as enter name. As you can see, it's now come onto the keypad, onto the display as username. So we've got to put our name in. So my name's Darren. So we start the process with D, arrow A, arrow R, arrow R, arrow E, arrow N. So once that's in there, my name's Darren, obviously. Darren's come up, press yes. Okay, now what we need to do now is go through the process on the remote control of setting up the buttons. So we need to set the first button. See the key symbol of lock? We want that to be locked. So as you can see on the keypad, it's come up as select button lock 1. So we press yes. Now it then says button action 2. We want it to then set the area. So we press yes. Now it's going to set area A, which is all. So we're going to use that button to set the whole of the system. So all A lights up, press yes. Okay. We then need to go on to button number 2, which is the unlock key. Okay, so we use the arrow to go up to number 2. Okay, as you can see, it says unlock, which is what we want. So we press yes. And we're going to use it to unset the system. Okay, on the actions. So unset area, we press yes. So it's going to unset the whole system. Okay, so we press yes. Okay, so that's the first 2 buttons done. We now need to go on to the third button, which is the part set button. Okay, so we need to use the arrow to get up to button number 3. As you see, it's changed to 3, and it's got the 1 symbol, which corresponds with the remote control. So press yes. Okay, so we need it to set an area. Okay, so area we need it to set, yes. And we need it to set it for the B setting, which is a bedtime set. So we press yes again. And that is it. That's your 3 buttons connected on your remote control. We're not going to bother with the 4th one because we don't use that one. So once we've finished the first 3, press the no button. Keep pressing the no button until you get back to edit users. Now once you get back to edit users, if you then press A, that will save the system, save the details onto the system, and that's it all programmed up. Once you're done, that's your lot.